Are you looking for the best sublimation printers for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET15000. With its versatility, durability, and cost-effectiveness, the Epson EcoTank ET15000 sits on the ruling throne of sublimation printers. It has an impressive paper capacity of 250 sheets, along with a rear feed and one front tray. The ET15000 features relatively low printing costs, as it comes with low-cost replacement and refillable cartridges instead of the usually expensive ink bottles. Not to mention, you won't face any cartridge waste as the ink bottles are pretty high-yielding. However, the yield might differ according to the images you want to print, the temperature, and the print settings. It's also worth mentioning that the ink with this printer isn't suitable for sublimation, so you'll have to buy the ink yourself. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The EcoTank ET2720 comes close second on our list with its speed, ease of use, and affordability. It's one of the few Epson printers that won't break your bank, which is ideal for people starting a new business. It utilizes easy-to-fill-in high-capacity ink tanks and features an excellent resolution flatbed scanner and copier. You'll also save replacement ink money by up to 90% and won't have any cartridge waste. The Epson printer features excellent print quality with unique heat-free technology and vibrant colors on all paper types. As for connectivity, you can use your ET2720 over USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. As a bonus point, you can use the Epson Smart Panel application to print any image from your smart device. It also comes with voice-activated printing. Number 3. Workforce WF7210. The Workforce WF7210 takes a proud stance among printers because of its staggering features. It delivers high-quality printings with high-resolution graphics and vivid colors. This is because of the precision core technology that many Epson sublimation printers offer. On top of that, the WF7210 features a shocking 500-sheet capacity, which means you won't have to supply it with sublimation papers every other day. The inkjet printer also has a rear feed for specialty paper and 2 paper trays that can take up to 250 sheets each. As a result, it highly resembles the Epson Workforce WF7720 in many features. Number 4. Brother HLL 2320D. If your business is expanding fast and you need a printer to accommodate your needs at a quick speed, then the Brother HLL 2320D is the one for you. Since laser printers are much faster than inkjet ones, you'll enjoy a maximum print speed of 30 parts per million. As a result, you can print high volumes in such a short time. Also, this printer allows for two-sided printing, also known as automatic duplex printing. This means that you can print many designs at once without wasting paper. As for the sheet capacity, it comes with a tray that takes up to 250 sheets at once. In addition, the Brother printer produces high-quality prints with a maximum resolution of 2400 by 600 p. Not to mention, it features a toner save mode that'll drastically decrease your printing cost.